All right, variable expressions and equations. Simplify variable expressions involving like terms and the distributive property. First off, what does it mean to simplify? It means to make something less complex. Simplify. Make less complex. Distribution. I like to call that jumping the wall. Here's an example of distribution. 2 jumping into 3x plus 4. That'll give us 6x plus 8. Monkeys play with what? Monkeys. And x's play with x's. And then, always need to make things beautiful. I am going to want the variables to come first, so we'll apply something like 2x plus 9. I do not want 9 plus 2x, I want 2x plus 9. Let's do some problems here. Simplify the expression. 4 apples. I have 4 apples. Are there any more apples up there? No, I have 4 apples. The 4 apples is done. Nothing gets to play with that 4 apples. He's the loner. This guy is 4 apples. I don't have other apples to play with it, or 4 anteaters or aardvarks or something. 4a. Done with that. But then I have a 7 minus a 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. There we go. The apples played with the apples, and these just plain numbers, those constant terms, played with the constant terms. There we go. 4a plus 4. Let's try another one. Oh, I like this one. Rabbits play with rabbits, but rabbit squareds play with rabbit squareds. So think of this. I have 5 rabbit squareds, and I have 5 rabbit squareds. So how many rabbit squareds do I have? I have 10 rabbit squareds. Do you guys know what I'm saying? I'm saying rabbit squared. Okay. So this is 10 rabbits squared. It is not 10 r to the 4th. These are just these things. I have 5 r squareds, and I have 5 r squareds. So I have 10 r squareds. It doesn't turn into an r to the 4th. Hey, what's going to have to happen here? You see this right here? Some distribution. Let's distribute. Negative 3 times negative 6 is 18y minus 9 minus 5. 18y, that's done. There's nothing that can combine with that. But I have negative 9 and negative 5. That becomes negative 14. That's fully simplified. Oh, this is a good one. We have a bunch of f's and a bunch of just basic numbers, some constants. Let's work the f's first, right here. What's that? I have negative 9f's and negative 5f's. That'll be negative 14f's. And then let's look at all those numbers. I'm going to bring them off to the side. I have negative 3 plus 1 minus 9 plus 5. I like to group all the negatives together. So this is, what's that? Negative 3, negative 9, that's negative 12 plus 6, right? That's going to give me negative 6. And is this beautiful? Yes, it's beautiful. So what did I do here? I grouped those negatives. Group positive. Let's see. Okay. Q squareds play with Q squareds. Well, there are no other Q squareds on this. So 2Q squared just comes down to my final answer. Q's play with Q's. I have 7 Q's and 4 Q's. That will become 7 plus 4 is 11 Q's plus 1. And that 1 is just a constant, and it's just hanging out, doing nothing. And this is a beautiful form. I like the highest variable, or the highest exponent first, so the squares come first, then just the Q's, and then just the constants.